Problem solving is a fairly ubiquitous skill. It gets a lot of weird ideas thrown around about it, what it is and how to do it. Problem solving has all kinds of formal philosophies and formal structures, but it really comes down to a few simple things. What do you want to accomplish? You have to get very clear about what you want to accomplish, be it a short-term project, building a doghouse, or a long-term project, being analogous to any other complex idea that takes years to unfold. The problem then becomes the primary problem with the list of subordinate problems. Some of those subordinate problems will only unfold once you set off. When people set out to solve problems, they seek definite answers with finite instructions. You can do that, but as they say, the best plans never survive first contact with the enemy. When problem solving, I generally try and take into account all the variables that I can foresee. And in all the variables I can foresee, best case, worst case, and thereby median case. By considering best case, worst case, and median case, I've got a fairly good idea of the probabilities of things that could unfold, even the things that I don't see or understand. By not seeing them or understanding doesn't mean that I can't overcome them. Because I've considered things that could happen, I'm better prepared to handle the things that do happen. And really, that's what problem solving comes down to. The decision that you will. All the information in the world is good. Philosophical, historical, mathematical suppositions and understandings, measurements and forecasts, all can be useful. But really what problem solving comes down to is, will you decide to, no matter what comes along or what shape or size it is? Have you chosen to? Have you decided to? Have you committed yourself to solving the problem? Sometimes problem solving requires outside help. At 23, I became superintendent. It was very concerning to me at first. When I started doing general foreman work, I was running fairly large jobs, sometimes upward of 100 men. I learned fairly quickly it's not that you have to know everything, you just have to know who to call. Make the decision that you're going to solve the problem. If there's something that you don't know or need help with, call someone that does. Do all the math and research you can, but at some point, you just have to grab the bull by the horns.